Someone told me that you are in need of niches ideas to start up your 2025 that will help grow your YouTube channel fast. In this video, I have the solution that will help you achieve great growth on YouTube in few weeks with the ever-raising YouTube niches. I spent my whole December analyzing, documenting, and researching thousands of viral faceless videos to figure out which niches and topics are the easiest to set up and grow fast on the go. Let's face it, there are so many channel ideas out there that have the potential to go massively viral and make you a ton of money. But most of them are out of scope for beginners because they require a high level of research, scripting, shooting, editing, all of that. Starting off with the first one, book summary channels. People want to learn, they want to grow, but not everybody has the time to read books. This is where book summary YouTube channel come into the picture frame. What you need to do is break down key ideas from popular books into easily digestible information. These channels typically work best with non-fiction books, for example, self-help books, finance books, relationship books, entrepreneurship books, or any other educational topics. Despite the rise in audiobooks, these channels are doing very well because most people are visual learners. There are channels in this niches growing massively and are making thousands of dollars every month on YouTube. The true beauty of their niche is how scalable it is. Ideas are endless, and the process to create these videos isn't overly complicated. It's a goldmine for anyone looking to start in 2025. For example, you could use ChatGPT to generate a book summary, turn that into a well-structured script, and then use a tool that turns text to video to create an engaging video, and that's all you need, and you do that for a few weeks. And before you know it, you are monetized and the YouTube money will start rolling into your bank account. The whole process faster and more approachable for creators. Now for the second niche, anime self-help videos. This is a fresh and creative twist on the self-help categories.
Luxurious spa where you relax and feel good about yourself. Discipline is a trench where you face your inner demons, where you decide if you control your destiny or let life dominate you. How many times have you looked in the mirror and told yourself you could do?
Instead of using typical stock footage or cinematic visuals, creators are adding flair by incorporating anime clips. They tackle familiar self-help topics like staying disciplined, boosting confidence, or improving your personality. What makes these videos stand out is the anime spin. The vibrant and relatable visuals resonate with fans, making the advice feel more exciting and personal. Cartoon anime video. After spending countless hours researching this, I'm confident this niche is on the verge of a major breakout in 2025. It's one of those opportunities you don't want to miss out on. The best part? These videos are surprisingly simple to create. You can pick any self-help topic you're passionate about, use tools like ChatGPT to generate a summary or even a full script, and then transform that into a professional video. Niche 3. Ancient philosophy. This niche is a creative twist on the classic self-improvement category. The idea is simple: take timeless philosophies from history's greatest thinkers and show how they can solve modern-day problems. The only problem here is revenue could be lower if your viewers are mostly from India or third-tier country. But if you're targeting a US, European, UK, or Canadian audience though, you'll likely see much higher earnings. That's because RPM rates are generally better in these regions. Aside revenue, the views on this niche are massive. This niche is perfect for beginners. You don't need to be a philosophy expert to get started. With a quick Google search or by using ChatGPT, you can easily find information on these timeless ideas. From there, you can turn that information into engaging scripts and create high-quality videos. Ancient philosophy isn't just a niche, it's a goldmine for creative thinkers. If you can explain complex ideas in a way that's relatable and engaging, this niche has the potential to set your channel apart. Niche 4. Faceless story or moral story channels. This niche is perfect for anyone who loves sharing valuable life lessons or inspiring stories, especially if you prefer working behind the scenes. Instead of using animations, these videos feature background graphics or visuals that bring the story to life. A great example is this YouTube channel. In just a few months, they skyrocketed to over 100,000 subscribers and earned almost $30,000 from millions of views. Creating these videos is surprisingly simple. You don't need to come up with original stories every time. You can find meaningful tales online, in children's books, or even use tools like ChatGPT to help you write compelling scripts. Once you have your story, you can use AI software to turn it into a polished video. One big trend in this niche is the rapid growth of channels in regional languages. These channels may have a slightly lower RPM compared to English ones, but they often go viral much faster. If you speak another language, this could be a fantastic opportunity to create content that resonates deeply with native speakers.